How to transfer Binance Exchange to Web3 Wallet. First, open up your Binance app. Head to the wallet section by clicking the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, you will see an option for Web3 Wallet at the top of your screen. Tap on it and now you're in your Binance Web3 Wallet. Once in your Web3 Wallet, click on this to start moving funds. In the From section, select your Binance wallet, either spot or funding wallet, then choose the coin you would like to transfer. Now select your network since BP20 usually has a lower fees. Let's go with that. Once you have picked your network, hit confirm. Next, choose the amount you want to transfer. You can click max to transfer all or enter a specific amount. Once ready, click withdraw and confirm the transfer. Binance will process it and you will soon see the funds in your Web3 wallet. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.